Welcome to English Vibes.
Good morning, Ria. How are you?
Good morning, Aman. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good too. What are you doing these days?
I am learning English. What about you?
Same here. I also want to speak fluent English.
Which subject do you like?
I like English and science
Why do you like English?
because English is important and it helps in daily life.
Yes, that's true. I want to improve my speaking skills.
I also want to speak confidently in front of others. What do you do every morning?
When? I wake up early. Then I go for a walk. What do you do?
I wake up late. Then I study for some time.
You should wake up early. It's good for health. What is your dream?
Yes, you are right. I will try. I want to get a good job and travel abroad.
Wow. Great. I want to become a teacher.
That's nice. You will be a good teacher.
Thank you. And you will also be successful.
Okay, I will see you later. Have a nice day.
Sure. See you soon. You too. Take care. Bye.
If you like today's class, then like it, comment, share. And yes, if you want to learn English, then subscribe to our channel English Vibes.